In the field of heatsink assembly for network terminal equipment such as set-top boxes and routers, the mechanical screws plus thermal grease solution has long dominated as the mainstream approach. For routers, standard process requires applying thermal grease or attaching thermal pads, then secure the heatsink to the PCB with screws. This combination of mechanical fasteners plus organic tin results in combined material costs. Pre-drilled holes compromise the enclosure's protection rating. Screw torque deviation tends to cause PCB deformation. Kleber's AA1003 is a two-component acrylic adhesive used in the electronics industry that provides both high thermal conductivity and strong adhesion. Cures rapidly at room temperature without primer to form flame-retardant material. Technical breakthrough integrating bonding, thermal conductivity, and flame retardancy, redefining the paradigm of electronics thermal assembly. AA1003 enables zero-screw assembly. Can directly bond heat sinks to packaged chips. Shear strength reaches 10 megapascals. Exceeds the fastening force of screws. 1.0 WMK thermal conductivity manages chip to enclosure heat. Maintains high thermal conductivity while providing high-strength structural bonding. Cyan to dark green color transition technology achieves final cure in 8 minutes. Thermal conductivity test. Test equipment, thermal conductivity tester. Cured samples. Place the sample onto the thermal platform. Apply pressure. Technical translation, record data in the heat flow curve and complete the test. Shear force test. Test equipment, universal testing machine. Aluminum sheet with surface treatment. Adhesive coverage area, 2512, 7 mm, curing over 4 hours at room temperature. Secure the sample. Start the testing machine. Measured shear strength, 10.5 megapascals. AA1003 meets automation compatibility requirements. Supports Z-axis path dispensing with 0.1 mm adhesive line width. Precisely cover heatsink edges. Enables lightweight breakthroughs for low-power heatsinks. Creating structural space for dense 5 grams router deployment.